Welcome to Infotechie Giant YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about what is the difference between Java and then C++. Why should we know the difference between this C++ Java? Because whenever you are learning any high level programming language, you should know the previous version of the programming language. Let's say C++ also one of the object oriented, but it is not working like a Java because there is some difference. So this difference only we are going to see about here. Now C++ is a pure platform dependent because C++ is having only compiler where we can able to compile the program and then converting into machine code. Everything only compiler will do it, but in Java it's not like that. Java have a compiler also, interpreter also, so you can able to write one and then write one place and then you can able to run it anywhere. So this is the reason Java is a platform independent. And then C++, if you want to run in your Windows, and then you should need the Windows based on compiler, and then Linux means Linux based on compiler. So this is the reason C++ is a platform dependent. So the OS will not accept any Windows. For example, if you are writing the program in Windows and then you are trying to run the program in Linux or any other operating system, you should need this another C++ compiler for that. So this is the reason it's a pure platform dependent. The next one is very simple. Here in C++ you can able to develop only the system based on programming. So let's say only core related programming you can able to develop it, but in Java it's not like that. In Java everyone can able to see here we can able to create the Windows based on application, web related application, and then enterprise, and then accounting, mobile application, robotics, embedded, any kind of application you can able to create. So this is the reason most probably everyone is preparing the Java. And then in C++ there is one kind of keyword, it's a goto. So goto will be helping to directly redirect one place to another place, but here in Java we don't have any goto statement. So this is not any drawback, but this is the one difference between the C++ and then Java. And then in C++ that multiple inheritance, actually multiple inheritance already we know that it's a pure confusion based on and then ambiguity based on concept, but in C++ it is accepting the multiple inheritance, but in Java surely the multiple inheritance is not accepted, because we all know that like the multiple inheritance is a one kind of confusion kind of concept. So Java is a simple language, it will not allow any kind of ambiguity program. But however, to overcome from the multiple inheritance, they have launched one more new concept as an interface. Using interface we can able to achieve the multiple inheritance in Java. So the next one is operator overloading. Here we don't have any operator overloading in Java, but in C++ we have operator overloading. But using this operator overloading, it's also its own kind of ambiguity. So that is the reason Java is not allowing that. However, Java will be having a method overloading and then constructor overloading, and then what we can say method overriding. So this kind of concepts are available in Java. And then pointers. So we all know that due to the security reason Java is not supporting pointer, it's restricted the pointer support, okay, in Java, but in C++ pointers are there. Because of this reason C++ security getting reduced. And then the next one is compiler and then interpreter. Already I informed that C++ is having only compiler. This is the reason it's a platform dependent. But in Java, here not only the compiler, we have an interpreter also. And then here call by value, call by reference. We all know that this is one kind of concept in C++. This both will be acceptable in C++ because reference means here it's a kind of pointer where the variable has stored and then the reference. So this is the reason by value also we can able to achieve the call, and then by the reference also we can able to achieve the call. But in Java only call by value is possible, but there is no reference because we are not using any pointer. This is reason Java is not supporting any call by value and then call by reference. The next one is very simple, the structure and the union. So basically in C++ we don't have any other data structures and also this is the reason there is a structure and the union based on concepts are acceptable. But in Java we have a collection framework. Using collection framework we can able to achieve lots of structures and then data structures. This is the reason Java does not support any structures. And then thread support. In C++ we don't have a thread support, but however using some third-party libraries, let's say if you are downloading some Apache common language, and then you can easily import it, and then after you can able to achieve the threading things in C++. But in Java It is not like that. It is already by default it is there. So built-in thread is supported by the Java. So the next one is documentation comment. So basically in C++ we can't able to make the documentation comments because it is not accepting that, but in Java we can able to use the documentation comment for any source code. So using this /* we can able to use the documentation comment. And then virtual keyword. So in C++ virtual keyword, it will be helping for, we can decide whether the particular function will be overriding or not. But in Java there is no virtual keyword, but we can able to make any non-static methods to default and the non-static methods to any virtual, okay, by default. So here there is no virtual keyword. And then there is some other operator which called as a what we can say shifting operator. Here there is an unsigned, okay, right shift operator. It is not accepted in C++, but in Java right shift operator are accepted because it will be helping to increase the byte value of your given value. And then inheritance tree. So already we have seen this. C++ creates a new inheritance tree always. Whenever you are creating any instance for any class, automatically it will create one what we can say inheritance for the inheritance tree method. But in Java it is not like that. In Java, whenever you are here, you can able to see that Java uses single inheritance trees because all the classes are by the child class of the object class in Java. So this is located in our normal util package. So this is a simple difference between C++ and then Java.